It was another difficult day in the courtroom as the state continues to make its case against Victor Martinez-Hernandez. He's the undocumented immigrant accused of raping and killing Rachel Morin, a mother of 5 whose body was found on the Monpa Trail in Bel Air in 2023. Today, more gruesome evidence was shown to the jury as the state's medical examiner took the stand. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor has the latest.
During the first 2 days of testimony, the state laid out the tragic timeline of Morin's death. Now they're shifting gears to examining her injuries and the collection of DNA evidence, which will ultimately be at the center of their case.
The family of Rachel Morin re-entering the Harford County courthouse for another day of gut-wrenching testimony as the state continues to make their case against Victor Martinez-Hernandez.
All of it is really hard to hear for the family, of course.
Among the most difficult, new photos shown from the state medical examiner's office. Dr. Zabiullah Ali testifying in his 23 years of performing autopsies. This one stands out due to the sheer number of injuries. The disturbing images taken 8 to 10 hours after Morin's death, showing nearly every inch of her body covered in scrapes and bruises. Dr. Ali testifying he found fractures on her nose, skull, and ribs, in addition to a 6 by 6 inch gash on the back of her head, cut so deep her skull could be seen. In his medical opinion, Dr. Ali suggesting Morin fought back but was strangled, hit over the head 10 to 15 times, presumably with a rock, and likely unconscious when raped. The position I received her in was indicative of sexual assault. Basically, she was naked, he said on the stand.
The injuries that we saw on Rachel, I mean, she was killed 5 times over today when they showed those photographs, and you could see just how brutal this murder was.
Attorney Randolph Rice, who represents Morin's mother, Patty, saying the state's case has still just begun. Soon to come, the DNA evidence at the center of their investigation, allegedly tying Martinez-Hernandez to this crime and a separate home invasion and assault in California.
That's the crux of the state's case here. But you've also got, remember, you also got the data on his phone, so that's going to be very important. The digital forensics, they're going to talk about what he was searching on his phone after this murder.
Attempting to poke holes in their argument, the defense questioning if the evidence was properly collected, asking if fresh gloves were worn to gather each piece and if it was appropriate for some DNA swabs to be taken at the scene. Dr. Ali playfully responding, "I prefer law enforcement to take swabs at the scene, so I don't have to do too much work."
The state is debunking a lot of the defense's arguments.
In the courtroom, Morin's half-sister Erin brought to tears by the jarring new photos, while her alleged killer showed no emotion.
The next witness called by the state was the detective who collected Morin's Apple Watch and saw bloody rocks at the scene. The state will continue to make its case tomorrow. We will be here, so stay with us at Fox 45 for the latest. In Harford County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
Rebecca will be in court all week tracking the latest developments. You can follow on air and online. You can also download the free Fox 45 News app.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.